I'm Siobhán and I'm a PhD student here at the University of Nottingham, where I'm part of the Tissue Engineering department. We're with the Biology Builders exhibition at the Royal Society meeting, and my part in the exhibition is going to be working on the stalls and trying to bring across to people and explain to people what we do here in our group, which is trying to rebuild the human body using things like stem cells and different types of materials. I never really intended to go into science. It wasn't something that I was always interested in. In fact, I wasn't actually very academic in school, but I guess through different things that I found out about in university, it was when I kind of got more interested in the kind of tissue engineering side of things. I think being a scientist in some ways is a little bit like it's portrayed, where in some respects you are in a lab kind of looking down a microscope, but actually you get to do a lot of exciting things too. So that all that work that you do, which is the boring stuff, like kind of doing those everyday tests and looking at things, those lead on to more exciting things and more exciting discoveries, and those little things that you're doing might be contributing to a wider knowledge of what we actually know. So it's really exciting in the fact that science is something that's evolving and changing all the time, and that you're actually part of this and you're actually contributing knowledge to this. I enjoy the work that I do. I like being in the lab. I like the fact that every day changes. So one day I might be working on a microscope, taking some nice images. The next day I might be doing some sort of assay, looking for different types of proteins. It's nice to have that change every day, and this work, a lot of it is self-motivated, and you decide what you do yourself, so it's nice to have that as well. And at the same time, we aren't really always stuck in a lab. So I snowboard, so I spend at least 1 or 2 weeks a year snowboarding. I'm a snowboarding scientist. This job, or this studies, enables me to do quite a lot of travel. I get to go around the world and go to different conferences and meet people from different places and go and work in other labs. So in that way, it's quite a nice job to have.